from Philosophy. This is the vanilla recipes, and you're getting a 16 ounce and an 8 ounce shower gel. It's not just a shower gel. It actually is your bubble bath. It can be used as your shampoo. And quickly, as we talk about cleaning and hydrating your skin, I want to give you an overview of your scents because it's brand new today and free shipping. This is Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere. For those of you that collect, run, okay? Grab it while we have it. We also have it in Sweet Vanilla Fig. We also have this duo right next door in Vanilla Birthday Cake, Let's Party. That's our most limited out of the gate. We only have about 1,000 to go around. Remember, brand new today. And then we also have Fresh Cream, that luxurious scent that we have fallen in love with over the years. If purchased separately, it would be $43 because the 16 ounce goes for $27. The 8 ounce goes for $16. Look at that price tag on your screen. The big deal price is $29.98, and we have free shipping. I want to bring in Marilyn Meyer. Marilyn Meyer, I love spending time with you. I'm so excited.
I love spending time with
Hi,
you.
friend. Hi. Give us a second, just one more second. Okay, we're in.
Okay.
Marilyn, 25
Yes,
years of philosophy.
Yes, can you believe it?
No,
Going
I
on
cannot.
26.
No, I cannot.
It'll be here in a heartbeat.
And you've been with them for about 6 months.
17. 6 months.
17 years.
17 years.
That's
yes.
incredible. What is Philosophy's philosophy for anybody who's watching for the first time? I'm just going to do this while you do. Keep going.
Fix me.
Got you.
We are a science-based well-being beauty company. We are a brand that brings you head-to-toe cleansing, conditioning, scents that lift your spirit. So we give you everything: science-based skincare, beautiful, fine, refreshing fragrances, and then bath and body products that completely change the way that you feel.
And all free shipping in this show, in case I've missed it. But can we talk about, before we run through each scent choice, why a 3-in-1?
Well, this is a product that actually can go beyond that even. You use this from the top of your head to the tip of your toe, and you're getting this science-based skincare formula in these soul-soothing scents, all that are based in vanilla. We want to create multitaskers for you so that you can live your life and get to what you really want to do as quickly as you possibly can. But we also know that that time when you're in the tub or in the shower can be very precious, and you want to make sure that whether you have 5 minutes or 20 minutes, that it can be your best minutes of the day. And this is kind of where it starts.
Right. I mean, vanilla birthday cake, I'm neck deep in it right now.
So I don't know if you know this. This is one of the most requested scents we get from customers. And, you know, we had it for a hot minute, and then it went into the vault.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I didn't know it ever existed.
Oh my gosh, so we're so excited that it's back because honestly, Mary, this is one of the best gifts to give someone.
Wait, Mike, 900 in the vanilla birthday cake? Oh my God, there's only 900 left in the vanilla birthday cake.
That's going to be a sad day for those who don't get this one.
I know.
Because I know you're going to be asking me for it tomorrow.
Well, and I went completely out of order, so I'll jump back to the fresh cream.
Yeah.
Because this is another one that I feel like people hunt for, search for.
Especially here at QVC. It really, we created like the fresh cream nation here at QVC. And this is just perfectly whipped vanilla. It's light, it's airy, it's easygoing, super universal. I think it goes with everything. I use something in fresh cream every single day.
I mean, a little fresh cream on your vanilla birthday cake never hurt anybody.
No, it didn't.
Let's mix and match.
That's
Let's
a
go.
great idea.
What about that sweet vanilla fig?
Sweet vanilla fig is a little bit more earthy. It has the ripe, juicy fig, but then there's some sandalwood, there's some chamomile, there's some lush florals in here. But the Madagascar vanilla makes it so romantic and warm, but beautiful and aromatic at the same time.
Why do I feel like I'm in a really cool Bond movie when I smell fresh cream with warm cashmere?
Well, you know what? That's the whole idea.
To
is we
each
want
their
you
own.
to forget about your agenda, Mary, and create your own moments. It can happen with these shower gels. And if that's where you're going to be the Bond girl with fresh cream warm cashmere.
Yes,
I say
with
have
like
it.
furry boots and the jacket and the French chalet.
Yes.
Although not a Bond girl. Like
You
this,
could be, yes.
That's kind.
I think so.
But I would probably knock him over and break something, and then it would be over.
But this is a scent that, you know, we had fresh cream. and everyone loved it. But when we came out with Fresh Cream Warm Cashmere, it went to a whole nother level.
Yeah, yeah.
This is this airy wisp of warmth. There's sweetness. There's a juicy tangerine with a splash of coconut, but the caramel is so warm. There's a buttery shortbread. There's some sandalwood in here. It is absolutely decadent and delicious.
Okay, vanilla cake and fresh
use that
cream
one.
flying out the door.
Soothing.
The other thing too, you know, your skin feels clean and hydrated, to be sure. It leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth. But there's science here. It's actually formulated to work with your skin barrier.
Right,
which
absolutely.
knocks me out every time I use it.
Well, you know, we always start our formulations based on the idea that we're going to help and treat your skin.
Yeah.
So that your skin is better. I mean, there's a lot of fun. Don't get me wrong with these shower gels. It's 100% fun, but it's 100% science too. And that is indicative of these beautiful bubbles that you're seeing. This is the cushion and the cleansing that you're going to get. The glycerin and the pinavidin are part of a skin-hugging moisture complex. So what does that mean? It sounds great, right? Sounds
You got
kind of cuddly.
sciencey real quick.
It holds the moisture into the skin, but it also draws moisture from it's in the air. So when you put it all together, it gives your skin this feeling of complete hydration so that when you get out of the tub or shower, you don't feel like you're shrinking, like you're drying tight anymore.
Well, that's why we turn to you for the education of philosophy, because we see the packaging, we see the scents, and I mean, we fall in love, but we're doing something so great for our skin each and every time. Couple things about the big deal. It stands for before it's gone, and we're already getting limited in one of our options in particular, but it's $29.98. So look at it this way. In the fresh cream and cashmere, I'll start there. The 16 ounce in all of our scent choices goes for $27. The 8 ounce goes for $16 on their own. At the big deal price, you're getting both for $29.98. That's like the 8 ounce value today at QVC is $2.98.
Right on. I like that, man.
Bizarre. And they're on free shipping, so stock up while you can. So that's the fresh cream with the warm cashmere. Here's the sweet vanilla fig. Next door, the very popular vanilla birthday cake. There's only 800 left now. And then we have the fresh cream, which is the tried and true for so many. And there's fewer than 2,000 in stock right now. You know, you're cleansing away dirt, makeup. It's non-irritating. It's been tested to do so. But it is a new today collection, but this formula is an award winner.
Over and over. I think too, because again, multitasking.
Yes.
Trying to save you some time. You can use this on your hair. So it's one product that's going to cleanse and condition. The scents are really just there for the moment. They're not there to, you know, go and interfere with any of your fine fragrances. They're really just there to help you create some me time.
Yeah.
But you know, when you look at the sizes that we're offering, Mary, typically at QVC, you see the giant sizes, right? The 32 ounces. Customers have been saying, but sometimes I want to, you know, the regular sizes.
Yeah.
It's really easy to use, you know, if you have dexterity problems and you want something that's going to be easy to squeeze, these are easy to use. The 8 ounce is a great size to maybe use even in your I always call it, I call it the powder room, or I call it something else, and David's like, it's a powder room. That smaller one for maybe even a hand wash.
For sure.
Or a great travel. I was talking to Mary Beth earlier today, and I said, you know what? We have these travel sizes of shower gels, but 3 ounces is not enough for a week.
Not when I'm on vacation.
No, not at all.
I'm the Kool-Aid man on vacation.
this
I'll
is-
crash through a wall. I need more than 3 ounces.
Kool-Aid man.
I mean, you know, yeah, that's me.
Hey.
But listen, these are very popular. I get it. The whole show is free shipping. This is an hour of philosophy, iconic in the world of skincare and cleansing and treating your skin the way it should be. You know, your skin is the biggest organ of your body. You need to treat it carefully.
Don't forget about it.
Lovingly. And this fresh cream with warm cashmere, I'm getting caramel and coconut together.
Well, you do. There's a splash of coconut. It's just enough.
Just a hint.
You know, when you think about like a lovely cashmere scarf or a cashmere wrap that you would wear like in a movie theater or maybe yeah, I mean just something light, right? That's the type of cashmere you're getting. It's not like a full-on, thick, heavy blanket.
No.
It's light, it's airy, but it's warm and decadent. And it does take you to kind of like that mountain chalet.
Yes.
You know, by the giant
There's like
fireplace.
some kind of fur blanket and a roaring fire.
Yep.
And somebody real classy comes up and says, "Can we get you an adult cocktail?" And I say, "I would love a hot cocoa with some marshmallows."
Nice.
Because I'm a child. I think that would be amazing. Okay, then we have sweet vanilla fig. There's a little floral, a little woodsy playing there.
And you know, when
Just
we
a
first
little.
created this, I remember presenting it. We introduced it
it's
in a
good.
Today's Special Value, and it was flying out the door.
Yeah.
And I think that if you love the sweet vanilla fig, this is for somebody that loves the finer things in life.
Great point.
It is very sophisticated.
Who wants to celebrate every day
Everybody should.
like it's a gift?
It's a birthday. Every day
All of us.
should be celebrated like it's your birthday.
Vanilla birthday cake. That's the perfect slice
Do
in
the
the
birthday
front.
slide.
Uh,
Birthday slide. I just learned that.
left some time. Okay, here is the fresh cream. And that one, absolutely beloved here at QVC. It's got a little whipped sweetness. It's kind of like a fluffy cloud, but you're getting this one for $2.98 today because the big deal price on the big and the little, which is 16 ounces, 8 ounces, not so little, $29.98. So very popular in the show. I think vanilla birthday cake is probably the most limited of the four. Ooh. Ooh, and the most popular right now. 1,000 have been picked up in our show. Please continue to place your orders. Also, towards the end of the show, we have a trio